We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Persimmon orchards are common in Hakka areas, and persimmons are dried in the autumn months. The seasonal dry mistral which blows through Beipu renders a climate perfect for processing the fruit. Persimmons are cleaned and peeled, then in most places, dried in a dryer. A few places still use the old way of drying for 3 days on frames in the open air. The fruit is pressed flat and dried again. It takes 3 or 4 rounds of drying and pressing to be ready. Dry persimmons are said to have therapeutic values in Chinese medicine related to the lungs, respiratory system, and blood pressure. Hello everybody, it's time now for our Hakka lesson of the day. Today we're going to talk about the good qualities of women. Once again, we have Alice Peng 老师。
你好，大家好。
Okay, let me say this right. 你好，大家好。Okay. 那么今天呢，我们要讲的就是客家女性同胞的这个她们的好特质。好了 ，You know, you have good men, and then of course you have good women.
勤俭。
Say that one more time.
勤俭。
勤俭。
勤俭就是勤俭。
勤俭。OK.
还有什么懂讲啊，按讲啊。
Very diligent, very pretty.
还有懂会煮好吃的料理。
That one I understand. 很会煮菜。Knows how to cook. So those are the good qualities of Hakka women. Once again, the key phrases in Hakka we have Alice to lead the way. 来，我们再主要的这个片语再讲一次好了。
勤俭。
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 勤俭。Diligent.
什么按讲啊？
什么按讲 As pretty as a flower. Remember that song? Yes.
还有非常会做料理。
Knows how to cook. Okay. So those are the key expressions of Hakka. Once again, the good qualities of women. Alice, 再讲一次好了，这一集好像比较难一点啊。
勤俭。
Diligent.
还有就什么按讲
Very pretty.
懂会煮好吃的料理。
Every woman is a good cook. Okay. And that's our lesson of the day. Thank you very much for listening. We'll see you next time.
什么大家张来了？
什么大家按这些？
张来了。
张来了。Goodbye.
Goodbye.
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.